Hey guys, this is Jedi with Verbal Traders. I want to show you a couple strategies I'm using. One is my Dragon Tail Hell Drop, and real quick, I added code to do journaling now, so I can actually, I got all these strategies. I don't use all of them, obviously, but I can physical state. I can do if I was well rested or I was tired or I drank the last night. Mental state, I got like if I'm relaxed, if I'm anxious, frustrated, angry, fearful, things like that. And then I got mistakes. So like I move stop loss, I place a trade without setup, revenge trading, all that stuff. Over trading, chasing a trade, flipping after a loss, no break after a loss, things like that. So the idea is that I started collecting data about a week ago. So the idea is that about 6 months from now, I'm gonna start writing the code to analyze this data, so I can see which strategies are better by percentage. I can see what state I was, things like that. Like it can get very interesting. Interesting. So I'm gonna put that pretty much on the data analysis, and I'm gonna have some kind of tabs here. That's gonna be like strategies, things like that. So you can flip over. Anyways, that's besides the point. This week, man, wow, especially today, what a day. Um, Everything worked today, and it was amazing. Anyways, let's see. The trade I want to talk about is this one right here, MGM, and let me switch to the actual E-Trade platform. So here's what I saw, right? I saw like my dragon. I call this strategy Dragon Tail, either hell drop, which is drop, or squeeze when it goes up. Because either it goes hell down or it goes, heaven. It was, but this time I catch it around this area. I saw that it was forming this level, and every time it was a lower high, lower high. So around this area right here, I decided to take it. I only took 50% of my calculation, right? So I think it was 666 15 cents, but I only took 333. Then when it dropped here, I took the next 50. So and then after that, it was like my target was this area right here. My target was this moving average, the 200, and it hit that, but this area scared me a little bit, the 150. So I took some partials there. I took like 25% off, and then when it hit my 200, it was coincidentally it was at R2, so I took 50% at that point. And then after that, I was already content with the results, so I took like partial here, and then I ended up getting out here, which kind of because it was Friday, and I always expect Fridays to be dropping because everybody's trying to sell for the weekend. So I was like, okay, this thing is gonna. So I was like done with it, but ended up hitting like R8, like it was 15 cents. So this is 22, and it went all the way down like to 21. So that's 4 hours right there, right? 15 cents. No, my bad. That's Jesus. It's like 6 hours. So if I would have keep it over here, I would have make like $1,000 or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, so it doesn't matter. I took my profit. I'm content. My strategy worked, right? My dragon tail worked, and eventually, like I said, I might be able to analyze strategy by strategy, combination of strategy, and see which combinations are better, and all that stuff that you're supposed to do with analysis. And this is my other strategy. I took. Let me clear this. So my other strategy is it's like a penny stock strategy, right? So I'm looking for trades. I gotta put the daily because this is this is crazy. So I found this. I bought this stock like in April, back in April when it was like 50 cents, somewhere around here. I think it was this one right here. So I bought it. So this is the strategy. I take 1,000 of my money and I buy as much as I can, just $1,000. If I lose 1,000, whatever, it has to go back to zero to lose 1,000. I don't care. It's $1,000. All right, it doesn't matter to me. But there's a potential that it's gonna do this one of these pops one of these days. And the reason I took it is because I look up before the coronavirus, it was up to $3, $4, right here it was $5. So I'm like, and it dropped. So that tells me that when this coronavirus is over, this thing is gonna go back at least to $2. So I had like 2,000 shares right now. I mean, I used to. I sold it all today, and sold it too soon, by the way. So yesterday, I mean, I bought it in April, whatever, April 9 or whatever, right here, and all this month I was like 200 down, 300 down, whatever, right? Today I woke up. Actually, I wasn't gonna trade today. I was in bed like at 12 p.m. I was like noon. I was in bed, and then I saw the text because I got alerts, and I saw that it was 0.60. So it was 10 cents above. So it was 200 reals, 2,000. So it's $200. So I got up, and then I saw it, and look at now. It's like it went up to like 98. I was out in 0.82. So I started taking partials. Bottom line is, yesterday I was 350 down on that particular stock. Today I recovered that and I made an extra, I don't know, $400. Taking partials and stuff. And I'm pretty sure Monday it's gonna pop a little bit more before it start going down, right? What they told the holding the bag. I didn't want it to hold the bag, right? I don't know if you familiar with that concept, but I knew that eventually this thing's gonna pop and then boom, drop down like this. Pop, drop down, because everybody who got loan here, they're gonna try to catch out here, so they're gonna drop the price again. It's called the I learned this from the humble trader. It's called the like holding the bag, I think they call it. So I was like, all right, I'm out today. I don't care about Monday, but being my luck, pretty sure Monday's gonna pop. It's gonna pop, and I'm gonna be like, oh my god, why did I sell? But anyways, that's the game. I'm pretty content today. I almost triple my weekly goal. So hey, who cares, right? And this is 1 out of 3. I bought 3 trades back in April, 1,000 each, whatever I could buy. The first two, the first one, that one I made like almost 50% on the money. So I made like $500, $600. The other one, it was a loss. I decided to take it out. It was like 100 loss, and it was like I started reading the news, and it wasn't. So I decided to hold this one. Wow, that's the only one I hold. One. So overall, out of 3 trades that I took, 2 winners, 1 loser, but the loser was like nothing. It was like $100. So I forgot to. So this is what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for those stocks that are penny stocks, but back in March or February they were up to $4 or $5, and then they dropped because of the coronavirus. So I'm expecting that when this coronavirus is over, all these trades that are penny stocks right now, they're gonna go back to $3, $4, whatever they were before. That could be a year from now. That could be 6 months. Could be 3 months or whatever. And then I will sell it out. So you can buy like I had 2,000 shares today, and I sold it on 30 cents. But I could have waited until Monday or whatever, and I could have made more money, obviously. But I was so happy today that I'm like, screw this, I'm out. So right now I have no positions. I'm just like, just pray Good Friday, man. Anyways, if you got any questions, let me know. And like I said, the software, if you guys want to maybe, kind of help me up on the software, kind of give me some ideas on the analysis that I'm going to do. Like I call this one Dragon Tail Hell Drop, but there's the Dragon Tail Squeeze. The squeeze is when it goes the other way. I got the high lows. That was a low today. So eventually I'm going to combine these stocks. I'm going to say, okay, when it was, like double bottom and like my triangle, right? My BWAP reverse triangle. Usually there's a double bottom somewhere. So I want to see if what's the percentage of winning when it's only this without double bottom, or what's the percentage of winning when double bottom plus the triangle. So, things like that. And that will give me a better idea of how to trade. Anyway, so that's it. Good day. Hope you guys have a green day as well. I'll see you guys later.